Ooh, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zv6, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. It ain't the morning time, but good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is, where you at. Hope you having a good day. Hope you being blessed. Let me take my time to say I appreciate all my subscribers, all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Zv6, and we get down, we get dirty on the old schools, on the new schools, and everything in between over here. So man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you got any questions, comments, or opinions, leave them in the comment box below, baby, because I talk back. Listen. Listen, y'all, let me take a seat. I'm in the Box Chevy right now. Big panorama. You see the panoramic in there. You know, if you've been watching, if you've been keeping up with the channel, if you've been keeping up with the build of the Box Chevy, listen, you already know that I've been trying to turn up on this car, and I've been trying to get some stuff done. So we're gonna keep it moving. We're gonna keep it moving. The next thing we doing, it's time to go and keep rocking with this music. We're gonna keep rocking with this music. I'm letting y'all know till we get all this stuff hooked up and until we turn the trunk off this thing. So y'all stay tuned. I'm turn the camera around and show y'all what I got going on today. Y'all gonna like this one. Y'all gonna love this one. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere, baby. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Y'all know we got the box built all up. Got it a little dirty. A little oil here and there for me. Put my dirty hands on it. But we got the box all built up, sealed up, tight, nice, solid. Oh, we got the sound dead in the end. We got the ounce head back there. That's gonna be another video. We're gonna talk about that, so don't even worry about that. But I'll give y'all a little sneak peek. Oh, look, hold up. I'll give y'all a little better sneak peek than that. Oh, they back there. So we're gonna turn up on this thing. We're gonna run some real juice in this thing. As y'all know, it take power to make power. So I'm finna do some big boy stuff with this build, all laughing and joking to the side, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead quick playing around, and this is what we got going on today. Yes, sir. We're gonna run two Sundown ZV6 15s in this Box Chevy, man. Two Sundown ZV6 15s, brand new, baby. These are the D2s. These are the D2s, Sundown ZV6 15 D2s. And of course, I already done unboxed these speakers. Who wouldn't? I didn't get a chance to turn the camera on because I was too excited already. You know what I'm saying? $2,000 worth of speakers. I had to open these things. So, but I'm gonna bust this box down. It's already open. I'm gonna just show y'all how they come, how they package, and what you can expect if you want to order one of these expensive speakers. They got some thick cardboard on there. That's on about 4 inches thick. So you know what I'm saying, you get that. And of course, shout out to Down for Sound. I ordered these from Down for Sound. They send a little sticker in there. You get one little sticker. Order the voltmeter, of course. I already opened it. It's supposed to be, I think I ordered molten orange or green. I think it's orange though. But yeah, Down for Sound. JP now send you a little voltmeter. I might utilize that and put it somewhere in the box, probably in the console or something like that. Got a nice little lanyard. It's white. Pretty nice though. I'm appreciative of that. Every little thing count. You know what I'm saying? They got their little old logo on there, Down for Sound. Jonathan Price now, JP. Yeah, they gave me a little shirt. I don't know. I think this shirt was too small for me, but yeah, it's a medium shirt. I wanted a large, but it's all good. Appreciate it. It's all good. The speakers came. That's what count. Say Down for Sound on it. Yeah. Let's see what else we got in here. Got another Down for Sound sticker. That's two stickers. Yeah. I mean, that's Sundown. Two Sundown stickers. And I guess since I ordered two speakers, I get two stickers from Down for Sound. I got a blue one and I got a red one. Man, I like that. But yeah, this how that bad boy come in there, packaged up. They got plenty of cardboard. They got foam around the corners. And yeah, let me set the camera down because I'm gonna have to use two big boy hands to get this thing out of here for y'all. So yeah, y'all hold on, I'm gonna take it out and I get right back with y'all. You got the camera on?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm finna attempt it. Get this bad girl out. They say these things like 100 pounds, 100 and something. I ain't too sure because I ain't really find how heavy these things is on the internet. I looked at Down for Sound, Sundown Outlet, Amazon. It really don't tell you how heavy they is. They tell you that like the 12s are like 97 pounds, 98 pounds. But I don't know how much the 15s is, but they heavy though. Showing that box side coming, bro. Yeah, I got 2 of these bad boys. Ooh, they make the car squat. Let's see. Thank you, man. Look, my camera girl came to help me because she knew these was heavy. So, yeah, this one here got a little pollen on it because this one been out, and this the one been sitting in the car. But yeah, there y'all go. Ooh, y'all see them soldiers. Ooh, ooh, look at that spider. Look at that spider on that Sundown. Ooh, ooh, look at them leaves. Ooh, can y'all see that coil up in there? Ooh, y'all see that flat coil up in there? That black coil? Ooh, y'all see it. You see it. Oh yeah. Mega surround, super stiff, dust cap hard. I like them, man. These dream subs, y'all already know. Boy, blessed to get some of these. Ooh wee. Look at that. Look how they come. Oh yeah. Big dump game. We finna turn some shit. Ooh, we finna turn some stuff up. Let me show y'all. Sundown ZV6, baby. Yes, sir. Man, these things heavy. Boy, got that thing squatting. Ooh. So yeah, man. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all know. If you don't know, you done heard about these speakers, and you know you should know what they do. If you don't, just go on Amazon, YouTube, and check them out, and you'll see what they do. These some bad boys right here, like $900 some a piece, and I'm very blessed to have this type of power going in this car this year, because it's going down, and I gotta let these boys know I'm back. Yes, sir. What y'all think? And this box here, is not even, these subs here, I believe they rated for like 4.5 cubes a piece. And man, I tried my best. I'm gonna go in on the second box, but this box here is probably about 8.4, 8.5. It's right around 8.5 cubes. It's not fully 9 cubes. It's kind of small, but I did what I had to do with the room that I had. But I could have stole about 1.5 inches, maybe 1.5 inches down there. I could have stole about 1.5 inches longer, you know what I'm saying, with my box, and maybe I could hit that 9 cubes. But I think she's still gonna get down because we got some power back there for their ass. Yeah. So yeah, man. I don't even know if I want to keep the speakers in the box yet, because I ain't wiring them up, and I ain't got the wire I need or the wire that I want. So I'm probably gonna box these things back up and put them back in the house. I had one been riding in here. I don't know, but yeah, I'll pick the camera back up in a minute and let y'all know what we're gonna do. Y'all hold on. Alright, y'all. Look, I got my old lady out here distracting me while I'm trying to finish my video. I'm gonna go and tell y'all, because y'all gonna see my dimples and crap on her, man, and it's kind of corny. But look, man, I done gave y'all a look at these subs, man. Y'all, I'm gonna give y'all one more look at these subs before we end the video, because I'm telling you, man, I'm happy about them. She was just sitting here telling me, oh, to be happy as much as they cost and all that. You know how they talk. But yeah, I'm happy, man, to have these subs for real. But yeah, what y'all think, man? Some bad boys. If that's what they say, we're gonna see what they do though, for real. ZV6 2023. We finna get down with the get down. And I'll give y'all a little sneak peek info tip of what we about to do next. I got some white wood birch. I got a 4 by 8 feet piece in the house, 1/2 inch. We're gonna get started on that console. We're gonna put a 6.5 and a 3.5 in the console. We're gonna get that back deck cut out. We're just gonna cut the back deck out, and we're gonna make it look nice. We're gonna put some mesh in it and all that, and it's just really gonna be a blow through. I'm gonna need a lot of pressure to come up out of this trunk up into this cabin, because I already know what's gonna go down. I'm telling y'all what's gonna go down before we even get there, so be ready. So this gonna be straight port game, just open with some LEDs or something I might do up in there, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna do 2 6.5 in each front doors, and 6.5 and a super tweeter in the back doors, both back doors, and 2 super tweeters in each front door. I got all the super tweeters. I already put the American bass 4x6s in the dash, because the car didn't have no music. And of course I got the we running American bass all highs. I got the American bass 7-band EQ with the digital display on it, and we're gonna run that Pioneer. I forgot what model it is, but that Pioneer is pretty decent. A little sneak peek, you know what I'm saying? American bass 6.5, 3.5, and all them bullet super tweeters 1 inch. And yeah, man, we're gonna do that. And of course we're gonna put some new carpet in this thing after we do all that, get this music hooked up. After we do all that, we're gonna get finished with this sunroof, and we're gonna put them stars in the ceiling. I got my headline in the house, so we're gonna do the stars, and we should get busy. I'm gonna rewrap this dash. We're gonna do that. We're gonna refurbish that dash, and yeah, you know we got that big digi up in there. Yes sir. Yeah, I seen a dude on Instagram, a troll, was laughing at me talking about the tweets on the dash, man. I was like, dude, just chill, man, you know what I'm saying? Cause I got a bunch of tweeters in the house, they all in the pack, but I just set the tweeters up there just so I can have some music in the car while I'm riding with my people and stuff, man. I'm gonna put them in there, man, but I gotta do a video of me installing these in my car, man, so it'll be legendary. You dig? Like, I don't know, man, people with their opinions and trolls, just, I gotta learn to deal with it as I grow and my channel get bigger, but it's all good. But yeah, man, that's all I got for y'all with these Sundown D2s, man. ZV6s going in, double baffle, double walls, sealed up, hitting hard. Get ready. Yes sir. Next video I'm gonna give y'all full detail of them amps what we running, and probably just go ahead and throw the batteries we running in too, because I'm putting some big juice on these things and I ain't playing no games. So yeah, I'm gonna get all that together. And as you can see, I already unboxed the amps, but I get the boxes out and show y'all the wattage and all that stuff on it, so you know what I'm saying, y'all will really know what's really going down up in here. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the next one. It's your boy J Spice. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and don't feel shy, man. If you got a comment, leave it in the comment box below, man, because I talk back, baby. It's your boy J Spice. So I'll see y'all again. Peace.